Yes, yes. That was what was so frustrating with everybody wanting to talk about the greatest rivalry. We're playing this brave and proud country, which we've got a history with. You know, they've knocked New Zealand over here. They've given us a massive hiding while I was the coach 2 years ago. I know how proud Argentinians are. I know how good a coach Filippo is. So we were always fixated on this game, and we always knew that it was a hell of a slippery game. And this close games, I personally believe, is how you build character and how you maybe win World Cups, and you learn how to handle pressure and how to do it at the end when they were attacking fantastically well. So yeah, we're proud not of the way we won, but that we won and we gutsed it out against a very proud nation.
Había